Good morning, everybody. This is Rachel from Welcome to My Secret. Today's Monday. I visited the food pantry on Friday, so today's cook up day. We try and use everything pretty quickly, make meals we can pop in the freezer so the veggies don't go bad. So this is what we have today. I'm going to make a Biscoff chocolate ripple cake. I'm going to use the biscuits, put the Biscoff spread in the middle of the two biscuits, then cover it with cream. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to make a banana cake, orange and poppy seed cake. I've got chicken and pork behind there. I'm going to make a pork stir fry and leek. I've never used leek before, but I'm going to make chicken and leek and hopefully make chicken and leek pies. So come back this afternoon and I'll show you what I was able to cook up and what we made. Thanks heaps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Come on, let me know you're watching. Let me know what you do with your food bank food or your shopping. Please put your YouTube channels in the comments so I can come over and like and share yours, especially if you're a new YouTuber. I'd like to help you along. Let's get me to 100 subscribers. That would be fantastic. Okay, see you this afternoon. Bye.